Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Jayco Jay Flight 264 BHW. As you can see right here, it's got metal on the outside here. We also got the guard to go ahead and prevent the rocks from really hitting the metal. What's really nice about metal too is that it's really impervious to mold, mildew, rot, and decay, as well as delamination. So it's really nice about this. We got an awning up here with some LED lighting, storage on the bottom. And this rig is equipped with solar as well, so that's really, really nice. Got our solid steps here, very, very sturdy, also with the handle. Come on in, let's take a look inside of the coach. As you can see in the floor plan, we got our AC unit on the top here, as well as the couch, which is a hide-a-bed and seats about 3, probably sleep about 1 adult or 2 kids. And we're gonna go over here to the right here, to the first bedroom right here. It's separated by a curtain, so we can just take this off, close it for more privacy. Leave that there. Queen bed here. Got the trendy lighting on the top up here as well. You can even turn on these lights too for more lighting on both sides. Okay, we got more storage here on both sides. We also have hookups for a TV and the solar controller on the right hand side. Really nice. It's also really well lit in here. There's 2 windows and 2 electrical outlets on the sides of each bed. So that's really nice as well. Coming on over here, looks like we got this kitchen slash dining area. Up at the top here, you can see we got some storage space on the top. Got our nice little solid countertops here. We got removable sink counters. Deep sink here. Got the nice looking faucet as well. We do have the 3-burner stove here, as well as the oven on the bottom, and plenty of space for storage of pots and pans or anything of your liking. Right in here into the dining area. This dinette does convert into some sleeping area as well. As you can see, more storage on the top. And we do have these blackout curtains in case you want more privacy or just don't want as much sun. You can go ahead and do that. We got our radio system here, as well as this part can be used as a TV or mounted TV up there. We got both bunk beds in here. This is a bunkhouse, so you can see there's 2 bunk beds there. You can also show more privacy as well, depending on if they want more privacy. It's really nice and handy. Kids love that. Then we do have this fridge right here. Sorry. Pretty nice sizable fridge for your needs. Put anything in there. We also have, I love how this sink is outside of the shower and the bathroom. It's pretty nice. As well as you got more medicine cabinet here if you'd like. Put a towel on there, more storage on the bottom. Then we also got the bathroom here. Nice walk-in tub. It's really, really nice unit. Yeah, very unique floor plan for this Jayco Jay Flight BHW. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give me a call. My name is Kyle at 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching.